via crafting the next blockbuster through transforming movies, music, and video games. In the age of digital innovation, artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming a game changer, significantly impacting our lives. The entertainment industry, particularly movies, music, and video games, has experienced a remarkable transformation driven by AI. Imagine watching a movie where every scene adapts to your emotions, listening to music that resonates with your mood, or playing a game where the storyline changes based on your choices. AI and scriptwriting. The impact of AI on movies is nothing short of revolutionary, particularly in scriptwriting. Traditionally, scriptwriting has been an art form dominated by human creativity, where writers painstakingly craft dialogue and plot lines. However, AI is now stepping into this domain, offering tools that can analyze vast amounts of data, including successful scripts, audience preferences, and even historical trends in cinema. These tools can assist writers by suggesting plot developments, character arcs, and dialogues that resonate with audiences. Imagine a scenario where a writer can input a basic storyline, and AI provides insights into how different demographics might react to various plot twists. This collaboration between human creativity and AI analytics is creating more relatable and engaging narratives, pushing the boundaries of storytelling. Beyond scriptwriting, AI is revolutionizing the entire production process of movies. For instance, AI-driven algorithms are being used to analyze audience preferences and predict box office performance. AI in special effects. AI's influence on special effects is a testament to its ability to redefine visual storytelling. In the past, creating realistic special effects required extensive manual labor and expertise. However, AI-powered tools are changing this landscape by automating complex processes and enabling artists to bring their visions to life more efficiently. Machine learning algorithms can analyze real-world data to generate lifelike textures, lighting, and animations, making every explosion, alien creature, or fantastical landscape appear incredibly convincing. This technological leap allows filmmakers to push the boundaries of their imagination, crafting worlds previously thought impossible to portray on screen. Moreover, AI-driven effects are not just about realism. They also offer creative flexibility, enabling filmmakers to experiment with unique visual styles that captivate and engage audiences. Beyond individual effects, AI is revolutionizing the entire process of integrating special effects into films. Traditionally, this process required extensive post-production work, where artists painstakingly matched effects to live-action footage. However, AI algorithms can now analyze footage and seamlessly blend CGI with live-action elements, resulting in a harmonious visual experience. AI in music composition. The music industry is undergoing a profound transformation with the advent of AI-driven music composition. Traditionally, composing music has been a deeply human endeavor, where composers draw inspiration from emotions, experiences, and cultural influences. However, AI is now becoming a collaborator in this creative process, offering tools that can generate melodies, harmonies, and even entire compositions. These AI-driven systems analyze vast data sets of music, from classical symphonies to contemporary hits, to understand patterns and structures that resonate with listeners. This allows composers to experiment with new musical ideas, explore unique combinations of sounds, and create compositions that capture the essence of human emotion. By harmonizing innovation with creativity, AI is empowering musicians to push the boundaries of their craft and create music that transcends traditional genres. Beyond composition, AI is reshaping the way music is produced and consumed. AI-driven algorithms can analyze listener preferences and trends, providing artists with insights into what resonates with their audience. This data-driven approach allows musicians to tailor their compositions to specific demographics, ensuring their music reaches the right listeners. Additionally, AI-powered tools are enhancing the production process by automating tasks such as mixing and mastering, ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality. AI in music personalization. AI is revolutionizing the music industry by enabling personalized experiences for listeners, transforming how we engage with music. Traditionally, discovering new music relied on recommendations from friends or curated playlists. However, AI-powered algorithms are now taking personalization to a new level, analyzing individual listening habits, preferences, and even emotional states to craft personalized soundtracks. These algorithms delve into vast music libraries, identifying patterns and correlations between songs, artists, and genres. By understanding what resonates with each listener, Avaya can curate playlists that match their mood, whether they're seeking upbeat tracks for a workout or soothing melodies for relaxation. This level of personalization ensures that listeners are constantly engaged with music that speaks to their unique tastes, enhancing their overall musical experience. Moreover, AI is empowering artists to connect with their audience on a deeper level by offering insights into listener preferences. Musicians can now leverage AI-driven analytics to understand which elements of their music resonate most with their fans. AI in game development. AI's impact on video game development is nothing short of transformative, revolutionizing how games are created, played, and experienced. In the past, game development required extensive manual coding and design, with developers painstakingly crafting every aspect of the game world. However, AI-powered tools are changing the game development landscape by automating complex tasks and enabling developers to create dynamic and immersive worlds. Machine learning algorithms can analyze player behavior, preferences, and interactions to generate personalized experiences that adapt to individual playstyles. This level of customization ensures that every player's journey is unique, with gameplay elements tailored to their choices and actions. By leveraging AI, developers can craft games that offer endless possibilities, captivating players with rich narratives, challenging puzzles, and lifelike simulations. Beyond personalization, AI is revolutionizing game design by enabling the creation of realistic and intelligent virtual environments. AI-driven algorithms can simulate natural behaviors such as crowd dynamics, environmental interactions, and even complex ecosystems. This level of realism enhances the player's immersion, making virtual worlds feel more authentic and alive. AI in-game personalization. AI is transforming the gaming industry by enabling personalized experiences that cater to each player's unique preferences and playstyle. Traditionally, games offered a one-size-fits-all experience, with static levels and predetermined outcomes. However, AI-powered algorithms are now allowing developers to create adaptive gameplay experiences that respond to individual player choices and behaviors. These algorithms analyze player data, such as skill level, play history, and decision-making patterns, to dynamically adjust difficulty, pacing, and content. For example, a game might offer additional challenges for experienced players while providing hints and assistance to newcomers. This level of personalization ensures that every player is engaged and challenged, fostering a sense of progression and accomplishment. Moreover, AI-driven personalization extends beyond gameplay mechanics to encompass narrative and character development. Imagine a game where the storyline evolves based on the player's interactions and decisions, creating a unique and immersive experience tailored to their preferences. AI can generate branching narratives, dialogue options, and character arcs that adapt to the player's choices, ensuring that each playthrough is a distinct and memorable journey. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.